Google has just unveiled Veo 3.1, and it's changing the way we think about video creation forever. Veo 3.1 takes video generation to a level that feels almost human. Imagine being able to describe a scene with just a few words, and Veo brings it to life with cinematic realism, from perfect lighting and natural camera movement to realistic sound and dialogue. It's as if you have a professional film crew packed inside your laptop. What makes Veo 3.1 truly remarkable are its new intelligent features. First, there's reference image integration. You can now use up to 3 image references to shape your scene. These images act like ingredients, one for the character, another for the environment, and a third for the object or style. Veo then blends them seamlessly into a single, consistent world, matching lighting, color, and perspective so perfectly that it feels like real footage captured through a high-end camera lens. But it doesn't stop there. Within video editing, Veo 3.1 allows creators to modify specific elements of any generated shot. Want to remove an object? Add a new one? Change the mood or lighting? Just type your new prompt, and Veo does the rest, instantly adapting the scene while preserving the original characters and atmosphere. Every adjustment looks natural, with scale, shadows, and reflections perfectly aligned. It's editing made effortless, and smarter than ever. Next up is one of the most powerful features, video extension. This tool transforms a short clip into a full-length cinematic sequence. Veo doesn't just loop frames or stretch visuals, it continues the story, expanding the environment, maintaining character consistency, and even extending sound, dialogue, and background music. You can now grow a few seconds of footage into a rich, immersive scene that feels handcrafted by Hollywood professionals. And for storytellers who crave total creative control, start and end frame control is a dream come true. You can now define exactly how your shot begins and ends, shaping your video's flow with precision. Veo 3.1 ensures both frames blend seamlessly, creating smooth transitions and natural continuity between scenes. Finally, the jewel in Veo 3.1's crown, cinematic realism. Every video generated feels like it was filmed on set. You'll see the subtle play of light and shadow, realistic motion physics, lifelike camera depth, and even environmental details like wind, reflections, and dust particles. Add to that the immersive sound design, ambient noises, dialogue, and natural sound effects, and you have a video experience that feels truly alive. Leave your comments down in the details section. Like and subscribe to not miss similar AI news.